Alpha farming is like the practice of trying to find a model or an approach that isn't popular yet, or people just haven't found yet, like a brand new approach, right? A novel way to create returns, right? So you could take profit. If you really wanted to pursue this, you could create a large scale alpha farming profit. Because think about that. You're going to take profit and you're going to pick something like the price of gold. And that's going to be your time series. So now with the time series, you can choose how many periods to use from that time series data, right? There was at least what, like, let me go back to that real quick. What do I want to do here? Yeah, there was at least what, oh, where were the hyperparameters? There's at least 1, 2, 3, there's 5 hyperparameters that you can use, right? And then each one of those has its own values. So now you're talking about multiple values for multiple permutations of those hyperparameters. And then you could also be talking about different commodities. Maybe you don't want to just do gold, you want to do silver, and then you want to do wheat, and then you want to do the price of IBM stock and the price of Disney stock or whatever, right? And then maybe you don't want to use the closing price, you want to use the opening price.